Okay, so hello, future designers, and welcome to the continuation of our previous project, that's the weather app. So in the weather app, in our previous our starting lesson, okay, this was what we were able to do, and then we actually moved to doing this, wanting to do this, okay. So we worked on this particular one, which is this, okay. So now what we want to do is to actually populate the card, okay, with the various images. So you can use any image of your choice. Since it's agric, you might want to use agric related images, okay. So as you see here, we have the fowl, some vegetables and fruits. We can change animals and the likes. So first, let's say, so we want to change the color first. So I'm going to change the bookmark color here. So let's say our user clicked on this, okay, meaning the person has bookmarked this particular um, news feed, okay. So basically, if you are coding it, you use API, so a Greek news API or something. So all I have to do, go to fill, and then I'm going to use this particular color code. Sorry, not fill. Close it. Let's use, where is it? So we use the selection colors. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, so this is the color code as you see here. Okay, so this particular color means, so in my UI, okay, this particular color means the user has saved this or has bookmarked this particular news feed. Now we want some free images, so we go to Pixabay and then let's look for some animals. Okay, so let me use farm animals. Okay, so farm animals, I can use, so let's just choose any animal. Let me see. So let me just use the pigs. Okay, so I'm going to right click and I'll go to copy image. Okay, so you have to go to pixabay.com. Okay, Pixabay images are free to use. No attribution is required. You might click on it, you might want to click on it too. Okay, so you can see it's free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, so all I have to do is I'll go to the weather app, click on the UI here, this particular shape where we want our image to paste. So I'll right click and then click on paste here. Okay, so basically it's done whatever we want to do. So all you have to do is just change the text. Okay, so now I can just highlight or control G to group and then just control C, control V. Okay, while holding on shift key. Let's see. So I want this spacing to be 27. Okay, so 27 is fine. So all you have to do is to just change the names here, okay, and then that should be it. For the purpose of time, I'm not going to change the names here, okay, the heading and then the subheading text, okay. So if you have time, you can do that. Only what I will do is just to change this color, that's the icon color. So I'll go to this fill, then I'm going to use this particular color code, which is this, as you see here. So 414B5A, okay. So now control D, okay, they'll move it down. So 27, another control D, let's see 27, 27. Okay, if you're not, so I'll just put it here because we want this particular UI to be on top of it. Okay, so I'll right click, then choose bring to front. Okay, so we have it in front of it. Okay, so remember this Figma works in layers. Okay, so if you pick something first, it will be layered upon the other. Okay, so that's how it works. um, Even in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and the likes. Okay. So 27. Now we have 27. Okay, and all we have to do is to, so let's go to Pixabay, and then I'm going to look for another part. Let me see if I can get some. So let's use this image. Okay, so copy image. Not, we have what, copy copy link address. We don't want that. We want what, copy image, and not copy image address, but rather copy image. So I'll come here, double click, right click, and then click on paste here. Okay, so remember to change the text here. Then let's look for something else. Okay, so let me pick this one too. Copy image, go back here, double click on this, and then click on paste here. And then our final UI should be this. So let's go to this and then let me look for something like let's pick this. Okay, so copy image, or let's use this. So copy image, come here, right click, and then click paste here. Okay. So basically, this should be our new system. But we forgot to remember in this particular UI. Okay, when the user clicks on this, it navigates the person to this particular page. Okay, screen. So now when the user clicks on this particular icon, once it's to navigate to this, so we can do the prototyping here. Okay, so let's go to prototype and then let's see. So I'll click the node and then bring it here. And then if it's on this screen, we'll double click here, double click on here, go to design, and then I'm going to change this particular color just to suggest that we are on this particular screen. Okay. Then I'll change this color to the usual color, just as this icons here. So let's see, sorry, Control Z to undo. Let's rather use selection colors, and then we'll use this. Okay, so that's fine. And then I can move this away and rather let's zoom in, Control plus plus. Okay. And then let's say if the user clicks on this, okay, let's go to prototype. The user clicks on this, will take him back to this particular screen. Okay, so that should be it. Let's try our prototyping. So I can close this now. Then let me click on this, or better still, let me click on this, and then let's go to play. I hope this works. Okay, so this is our home screen or our brand screen, and then okay, so we are here. When we click on this, oops, nothing happens. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so this thought this was connected. Okay, I didn't connect it. So this no this it should okay. Let's see. Should I click this? Okay. Loads. Okay, so a moment. Okay, so I've sorted that out. So all I have to do is to go to play, then let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is our brand screen or our welcome. That's our brand screen or splash screen. And then yeah, so currently we are on this particular UI, which is the weather screen. Okay, you can see this icon. Now if we click on the news, okay, icon. Okay, so now we have the news daily screen, and then we can navigate back by clicking on this icon. Okay, so you can see what we've been able to do for this particular UI. Okay, so guys, congratulations, and then thank you for joining this session. Thank you.